Okay, so in this next video, we're going to show our studio, and we're also going to discuss how we did the extract project that we did in a previous video. So this is what you saw when you loaded RStudio a moment ago, and these are the windows that are in the integrated development environment, which really just means an easy way for you to see how you're programming. So this portion over here is a window that shows objects, and it also has a feature where you can load data sets kind of easily. And it also shows previous things that you've done and connections if you have a live connection to a data environment. Down here, this window has a lot of different capabilities. So the first one shows files. The second one will show you plots if you actually build a plot using R. This one shows what packages are loaded currently on your machine. So a package in R is a capability that has, some ability to do certain kind of techniques, and the techniques could be associated with data science technique, or they could be a data visualization, could be a way to import and manipulate data easier. All of those are called packages. And over here, we're also going to call them libraries. You can see it says system library. And then lastly, there's a viewer where you can see kind of previous files and plots that you've built before. Right now, we don't have any because we haven't done any. Over here is console. Console is where you type directly into the window. This is where you can write code one line at a time. I really don't find that uh, useful. So I tend to open um, multiple different kinds of windows. So there's another window called an R script window. And now I've opened, you can see the console window move down, and now I've got a place where I can write multiple lines of code. I'm just hitting the enter key to show you that you can now have multiple lines of code. They don't have anything on them, and then run them. And you can run them a step at a time, which is a good way to debug. So I know this all looks complicated, but it's really not. So I'm going to save this introduction to R Studio version, and I'm going to click at the top to make it big. And then the next video, we're going to come back and do the extract function that we just did a minute ago.